Hey Bonnie, why the screen is not bright?
Hello, I'm the Solis hybrid inverter heavy user Bonnie. If your monitor of the inverter becomes dark, please follow me to check these steps. First, you check the PV steering input of the inverter. It's under the inverter. We must check everything of the PV steering connections okay. After this, we check the break of the PV input. Each inverter have 2 break of the PV input. After we check the PV input, we check the grid input terminal. It's on the right side of the inverter. On this box include the grid input. It have the 3-phase input of the grid input. And we use the multimeter to check all the input voltage. If the voltage is normally, it will be okay. And if the voltage is none, we check the grid input box. It's near the inverter. This is the grid input brick. We must to get it on. After we check the grid input, we check the battery input. The high voltage batteries is included with the DC brick BMS button. When it becomes normally, I think your inverter is become light. So we check it here. Now the monitor is become light. After this, if you want to check if the inverter is outputting, we here and check the inverter button of this small button. If it's on, it will be showing output. If it's off, it will be standby. After this, your inverter will become normally.